In a recent video of mine, a friend of mine got scammed buying an RTX 4090. To basically explain how this happens, I do suggest watching the other video, but too long didn't watch. The person is essentially putting a card back together that does not have the GPU core or any of the memory on the PCB. The PCB gets put back together, it's resealed and done very well, put back into a box, and then plastic wrapped to make it look new. Now, the plastic wrap thing is kind of funny because I reached out to multiple people online and even found a Reddit post showing this exact scammer, allegedly scammer, his post asking if these Gigabyte cards come wrapped. And sure enough, after asking around on Facebook, a few other different places, most people who have purchased one have said that it does not come wrapped. On top of that, we are actually riding with another person who's going to be confirming their identity. This person was also previously scammed by this exact person, allegedly. And so we have one identity confirmation from this other guy. We have my friend Min, who lost his card, and we have the card itself that is missing the core and all of the memory. And then we have multiple other sources that have sent us messages online, emails. I have one right here that says that they are 85 to 90% sure that this is the person. They were also scammed. One of the other things that's interesting about this scam is a lot of times these people who do stuff like this will fall victim to their own self. They will continuously do the same thing over and over again. For an example, using the same scammer name, like the guy used here, Jake, asking to meet in the same location, which I didn't even tell him where to meet. He picked this exact location, and I'll show you guys some of the text messages here. I'll also give more of this at the very end of the video too, if you want to see more evidence compiled. But yeah, so essentially he fell for his own trap by constantly doing the same thing over and over again. There's also a little bit of a receipt scam thing happening here, which I'll show you in a minute. But yeah, so let's get on to the video and the interaction.
Okay, no lesson play.
Yeah. It's okay. He's here.
Go ahead.
Hey.
Hey, how you doing? Get out of the way of the road. Get that over.
It's just
Yeah.
do you mind if I open that?
No, go right ahead.
Okay.
We're doing this video, and unfortunately we couldn't get the receipt because the guy actually took the box, but we're looking at the receipt that the other people got that got scammed, right? So that's that little mark there. And if you look closely on the screen, you can see that there's a mark right here. This is that same exact mark at the part that says 15 days right there. And yeah, so this is the same receipt the guy's been using to scam. Also, notice how cheap and flimsy that plastic wrap looks.
This one.
All right, man. The scam's over, bro.
Okay.
This is not like the one they already opened. Let's look at the thermal paste.
So I also want to check the serial number because he got me on a bad serial number.
This is the same guy?
Yeah. I don't recognize you. Yeah, I recognize you though.
Let's take the other card out.
All right.
We got the cops know what's going on too. So, we got you on camera. We got your plate. We got the other card here that you scammed.
Yep.
Him don't even recognize you guys.
Yeah, that's the point. You don't recognize us because you've been scamming a bunch of people.
I haven't scammed anyone.
Oh.
Like,
Yeah, absolutely.
So this one is not brand new one, so
you just saw it. It was brand new, sealed.
Do you mind
and
if I check the serial number?
The die is missing off
the
the
die
card.
missing. The card is open.
Yes, it is.
It's brand new and sealed.
It's not.
The
Dude,
card is
dude,
open.
we can see it. We can see it. The die is missing off the card. You literally have been stealing them from all these people. And you get no plates on the car. Like, come on, dude. This is just scamming 101. You know.
That's fine.
Yeah.
Go to the cops.
We're going to the cops.
They're gonna tell you it's a Facebook
Yep.
Marketplace deal. They don't have anything to do with it.
Okay, so you know how it's gonna go. Okay. Wow.
A fuck.
So that thud that you just heard was actually Min getting hit by the guy's mirror.
We got the VIN, right?
Yeah, I got the VIN.
I got the VIN, man.
I'll plate out of the back, so.
Okay.
I got the VINs right here. What the
Awesome.
f? Like you have like on the camera. He tried to run me over.
Yeah, I have all the pictures and stuff from mine, so yeah.
What the f
They
is
don't
that?
come sealed like that.
Like the guy almost run me over with the car.
I hope I got it on because it actually paused for a second. But
Hey, nice job at least, you know?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, so we can go down to
The police station right
We
now.
can go down to the Nashville Police and
Yeah.
we can file a report.
All right, so unfortunately the police did not show up. They had to go to an accident and the guy that was working with us couldn't be there. So we are going to the police station now to drop off everything that we have. So unfortunately, one of the victims that was with us was actually on the Tyngsboro side of this Nashua Mall. So he will actually have to go to a different police station to file any information. Min and I will be probably forwarding as much stuff as we can to this guy. So anyone who got scammed in the Nashua side, feel free to reach out in the email.
The VIN and that got in the video, or the whole video, I can take it to them.
I think I can ask my car friend to pull that VIN number.
All right, I'm here with the two guys that got scammed, yeah, and we are at Nashua Police Station because we are reporting this as a crime. And yep, that's gonna do it.
So what's funny about this conversation here was this actually took place the week prior when we were supposed to meet, and he went out of town, and I thought he was actually just bouncing on me, but I actually think he went out of town to buy that Volkswagen in the video, and that's why he probably had those paper tags. The only reason why I think this is true is because the person I was with that helped us catch this guy also works for a dealership and identified the tag as being from New York. Upon searching this guy's number, you can also see that it says landline. And a lot of these burner applications will use inactive landlines. That way, if you call someone back, it's not calling back the actual cell phone number of somebody else. And that's how they like get around all that stuff. So yeah, he was using a burner. Mine actually was also a burner and also said landline. So when I search my own phone number and his, they both come up as landline, which is pretty obvious that he was also using a burner. So another level of protection. Here is a video of the card from the guy in the video that got scammed and was able to identify the guy that scammed him. This is his card that he bought off him. And as you can see here, the fans are spinning up and nothing is working. Also, here are his photos of his card and his receipt, which is matching all of the other receipts. Up next is another person who emailed me. I included this in the beginning when I was talking about the receipts matching. You'll see that in a moment here, that this receipt is the same as the other two receipts. This one, the guy kind of screwed up a little bit. It looks like he didn't re-sticker it because you can see that the sticker was punctured. Yep, the GPU is missing and the memory is missing as well. These are the last messages that I got from this guy. They don't really say too much. Obviously, you can see here that the Volkswagen he's saying it, and he shows up in that same Volkswagen. Again, I think that's actually a new car because multiple people have said that he showed up in a silver Altima or a silver sedan. Again, using the same parking lot, and this time was in between the Dick's Sporting Goods and Red Robin, which means we are on the Nashua side, which what I was explaining earlier is that there's actually two sides of this mall. Part of it is in Tyngsboro and part of it is in Nashua. So one of the main reasons I wanted to make this video was because I didn't get scammed, but my friend who basically helps this channel in every way, he constantly contributes to this channel, always dropping off parts and things to do for customers and stuff. He was the one that was scammed, and along with the other people that I've met throughout doing this little video series now. Yeah, I just felt like it was important to at least expose who this guy is. So if you see him online and you go to buy something, who knows? He could be, you know, making a new fake Facebook with a different profile picture. These scammers do a lot of things to trick people. I don't think this guy is going to stop. As you could see by that point where he had said the thing about what the cops are going to do.
They're gonna tell you it's a Facebook Marketplace deal. They don't have anything to do
Oh.
with it.
Oh, okay, so you know how it's gonna go. Okay.
He's clearly researched this before. I don't know. What do you guys think? This is one of those situations where I'm trying to at least make everyone aware that it happens. Be careful with the 5080 and 5090. This could definitely be happening too because there's AI parts on there, and the AI is the main reason why this is happening. China wants those chips. They want to be cutting edge in the market, and so they take a lot of these consumer grade parts, steal the chips off, easier to get through the border, and then people here will just continuously sell those shrouds and rip people off. Yeah, it's gonna do it for the video. Drop a like, subscribe if you want, and I'll see you guys in another one. Bye.